On 22nd of November, Assam Police pulls up all the buses and vehicles traveling from Guwahati to Meghalaya at Khanapara as a preventive measures to avoid further conflicts due to unfortunate incident that occurred at Mukro along Assam's West Karbi Anglong and Meghalaya. According to reports, it was necessary to alert the citizens for safety purpose as there is a high chance of occurring more conflicts at the region after the unfortunate firing incident that took place along West Karbi Anglong and Meghalaya border region. The firing incident had resulted to the loss of 6 people's lives, 5 people belonging to Meghalaya, while 1 belonging to Assam's Forest Guard personnel. This step was taken as a necessity to prevent any future conflicts in the region. Assam Police had alerted to all the citizens to take utmost precautions while traveling to any parts of Meghalaya districts for the time being. Therefore, Assam Police had pulled up and directed all the vehicles heading towards Meghalaya from Guwahati at Khanapara for the time being as a preventive and safety measures. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.